Hello and welcome to our channel, Sundry Health. Today's topic is 18 health benefits and uses of pineapple. The pineapple is the most economically significant plant in the Bromelaceae family. It is a tropical shrub with many fruit-like berries. It can be grown from a crown cutting and eaten fresh, canned, or juiced. You can find pineapples in various foods, including desserts, fruit salads, jams, yogurt, ice cream, confectionery, and meat dishes. The tropical pineapple contains nutrients and antioxidants, such as vitamin C, manganese, and enzymes. It promotes digestion, strengthens the immune system, lowers cancer risk, and shortens recovery time after surgery. Before starting, remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So, let's start. 1. Highly nutritious. Pineapples are a low-calorie fruit with nutrients such as vitamin C, manganese, and minerals. Each cup of pineapple has 82.5 kilocalories, 0.198 grams fat, 0.891 grams protein, 21.6 grams carbs, and 2.3 grams fiber. Manganese is 109% of the DV for women and 66% for men, whereas vitamin C is 88%. Pineapples are also high in phosphorus, zinc, calcium, and vitamins A and K. Vitamin C is required for immunological health, iron absorption, growth, and development. In contrast, manganese is necessary for growth and metabolism. Antioxidants aid in the prevention of oxidation, which can lead to inflammation, cancer, and other chronic diseases. 2. Pineapple provides antioxidants and boosts immunity. Pineapple is high in vitamin C, an antioxidant that can help lessen the symptoms of many ailments. 1 cup of pineapple delivers more than 100% of your daily vitamin C needs. While it cannot wholly prevent sickness, it can lower the severity of chronic inflammation-related disorders such as arthritis, atherosclerosis, and asthma. Vitamin C also aids in maintaining a healthy immune system, potentially shortening the duration of common ailments such as the flu or ear infections. To help you fight the flu, make a delightful pineapple smoothie with pineapple, juice, and vanilla yogurt, which boosts your immune system and supports overall wellness. 3. Pineapple builds stronger bones. Copper is essential for bone growth and strengthening since it aids collagen production and enhances each bone's mechanical strength. It also prevents bone resorption, the process by which the blood absorbs minerals and breaks down bone cells. 1 cup of pineapple contains 9% of your daily copper requirements. Manganese, a trace mineral, is also necessary for bone growth and health, particularly in the spinal bones. Postmenopausal women, who are frequently manganese deficient, are at an increased risk of bone fracture. To boost bone health, consider including copper and manganese-rich foods, such as pineapple and avocado salad. 4. Contains antioxidants. Pineapples are high in antioxidants, such as flavonoids and phenolic compounds, which assist the body fight oxidative stress. These unstable antioxidants have been related to chronic inflammation, compromised immunological systems, heart disease, diabetes, and some malignancies. A rodent study revealed that the antioxidants in pineapple may have heart protective properties, but human evidence is limited. Many of the antioxidants in pineapple are bonded, so their effects remain longer. 5. May aid digestion. Bromelain, a set of digestive enzymes that aid in the digestion of meat, is found in pineapple, a fruit typically eaten alongside meats and poultry in Brazil. Bromelain breaks down protein molecules, making them easier to absorb in the small intestine. This is especially advantageous for people who have pancreatic insufficiency. Because of their propensity to break down tough meat proteins, pineapples are also employed as a commercial meat tenderizer. Bromelain was discovered to lower inflammatory markers in digestive tissue in a test tube investigation. 6. Improving immunity and reducing inflammation. Pineapples have been used in traditional medicine for ages because they contain vitamins, minerals, and enzymes. According to a 2014 study, youngsters who ate pineapple had a lower risk of viral and bacterial illnesses and 4 times more disease-fighting white blood cells. However, additional research is required to corroborate these conclusions. Pineapples have anti-inflammatory qualities that may help the immune system work better. 7. May ease symptoms of arthritis. Arthritis affects about 54 million persons in the United States and is characterized mainly by joint inflammation. The anti-inflammatory characteristics of bromelain may give pain relief for patients who have inflammatory arthritis. Studies have shown bromelain supplements to be just as effective as conventional pain medication in alleviating osteoarthritis in the lower back. A digestive enzyme supplement containing bromelain relieves pain like traditional arthritis medications. 8. May aid surgery or strenuous exercise recovery. Because of its anti-inflammatory characteristics, pineapple eating may hasten recovery following surgery or exercise. Bromelain in pineapples has been demonstrated to minimize inflammation, edema, bruising, and pain during dental and skin operations. It may also help to lower inflammation signs and pain following dental surgery. Bromelain may help hasten muscle healing after heavy exercise by reducing inflammation in damaged muscle tissue. However, more research is required to comprehend its potential benefits properly. Please like, share, and subscribe if you find this information valuable. And click on the notification bell to ensure you never miss the next video. Thank you. 9. Easy to add to your diet. Pineapples are a versatile and convenient fruit available all year at grocery shops and markets, canned, dehydrated, or frozen. They can be eaten alone, in smoothies, salads, or homemade pizzas. A pineapple, blueberry, and Greek yogurt smoothie, a tropical roast chicken salad with almonds, blueberries, and pineapple, handmade Hawaiian burgers. Pineapple fried rice and seitan and a homemade pineapple whip are some popular pineapple food ideas. Fresh, stir-fried, blended, or roasted pineapples can be utilized in various cuisines. 10. Reduces cholesterol. A study published in the December 2005 issue of Medical Science Monitor discovered that pineapple juice can naturally lower cholesterol levels in the bloodstream. Rats fed pineapple juice for 3 hours saw decreased lipoprotein particles and increased metabolism, which reduced cholesterol levels. 11. Speeds healing of tissue injuries. Pineapple juice may aid in the healing of tendons, ligaments, and soft tissues by boosting tendon cell number and reducing malondialdehyde levels. According to a study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food, in 2011, pineapple juice increased tendon cell numbers following crush damage to the Achilles heel in rat models. 12. Contributes to male fertility. Because of its high sperm quality, pineapple juice, which is vital in manganese, is a good choice for fertility. A 1-cup portion of manganese has 1.3 milligrams, while the daily recommended requirement is 2.3 milligrams. Manganese consumption in pineapple juice and other meals boosts sperm motility and preserves sperm during freezing, improving the odds of conception, according to Indian experts. 13. For joint and muscle pain. Because of its significant anti-inflammatory impact, bromelain-rich pineapple is beneficial in preventing and treating sports injuries, accelerating bruise healing, alleviating arthritic pain, and treating generalized joint pains, tendinitis, and bursitis. 14. For corns, calluses, and dry skin. Pineapple fruit acids can aid in removing corns and calluses on the foot, as well as rough skin on the elbows and heels. Apply mashed fruit to problematic areas, let on for an hour, then rinse and scrub gently. You may require multiple treatments for the best results. 15. Pineapple is good for colds and coughs. When it comes to colds and coughs, pineapple, a fruit high in vitamin C and potassium, is sometimes disregarded. Bromelain, a compound found in pineapples, has been shown to suppress coughs and release mucus. Its anti-inflammatory effects, aiding digestion, lowering blood clotting, and even helping in angina by eliminating plaque from arterial walls are just a few of the many advantages. 16. Pineapple is suitable for your gums. Pineapples, which are high in vitamin C, benefit dental health by lowering gingivitis and periodontal disease. They help the body repair connective tissue and combat germs and toxins that cause gum disease. Periodontal disease is connected to heart disease, stroke, and type 2 diabetes because it affects gum tissue and jaw bones. 17. For wrinkles. Pineapple, which is high in alpha-hydroxy acids, is a valuable ingredient in facial masks because it can reduce the appearance of fine wrinkles when applied to the skin. 18. For fevers. Drinking pineapple juice can help the body retain water and restore its immune system when dealing with fevers. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And click on the notification bell to ensure you never miss the next video. Thank you.